everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for Firecrackers business. So I'm an owner of a Firecrackers business and I receive a lot of leads and inquiries by my potential customers and clients with the help of IndiaMART. What I want is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead by any of the potential customers and clients with the help of IndiaMART, I want to send that customer a WhatsApp message thanking them for showing interest in my services. Now, sending WhatsApp messages manually to each lead generated with the help of IndiaMART is very time consuming. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, I've created a connection between my IndiaMART and AI Sensei. With the help of AI Sensei, I have created a template message which I'm going to send as a message to all my customers who are going to generate the lead. If you want, you can create your own template message with the help of Wati or Interact as well. So if you also want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp messages to IndiaMART leads and queries for Firecracker business. So as an owner of a Firecracker business, I enhance my customers' outreach by sending WhatsApp messages directly to the leads generated with the help of IndiaMART. When a potential customer shows interest in my products, I can send them a personalized WhatsApp message with product details or answer to the questions. This instant communication not only helps me to engage with my leads more efficiently, but also builds a stronger connection, increasing the chances of converting inquiries into sales. And we're going to be creating this amazing automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, over here I'm going to give it as Send WhatsApp Message to IndiaMART Leads Inquiries for Firecrackers Business. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Okay. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select IndiaMART Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send WhatsApp Message to IndiaMART Leads Inquiries for Firecrackers Business. And over here, you can see there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and Action are the two most important concepts of our automation process, because our process depends on these two principles. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as IndiaMART. As with the help of IndiaMART, I am receiving a lot of leads and inquiries by my potential customers and clients for my Firecrackers business. And I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of IndiaMART by any of the potential customers and clients, automatically I want Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. So that is why for the trigger application, I've selected it as IndiaMART. And for the trigger event, I've selected it as new lead. As whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the new lead being generated. So after selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we're going to create a connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help desk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to firstly copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, I'm going to log into my IndiaMART account that I want to connect to my Pabbly Connect. You can see right away this is my IndiaMART account, and in this account I am receiving a lot of leads and inquiries by my potential customers and clients for my Firecrackers business. I want to connect this account to Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do that, what we're going to do is from the left side of the panel you can see over here the option is given Lead Manager. Go to that right over here. As we're going to do that, we'll be landed towards the Lead Manager page in our IndiaMART account. Over here in the top left corner it says Menu. Click on this button right over here. Under Menu you can see over here it says Import/Export Leads. Click on this option, under which you have to click on this Push API button right over here. As you're going to do that, you are going to be landed towards the Push API integration page right over here. As you're going to land on this page over here, it is asking for us to select the source. As the source that we are selecting is not provided in the drop down, so I'm going to select the source over here as Other. It is asking for the source name, so for the source name over here I'm going to write it as Pabbly Connect, okay? And for the URL field, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and then I'm going to click on the Save Details button. After doing that, it is asking for the reason why we're creating this API, so I'm going to select a random reason from here and click on this button right over here. As I've done that, you can see over here the webhook has now been successfully added in our IndiaMART account. As now the webhook is successfully added to my IndiaMART account, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether IndiaMART is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, okay? So in order to do that, if I'm going to scroll down to this workflow, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now we're going to check whether IndiaMART is connected to Pabbly Connect or not by generating a test lead. Now we're going to generate a test lead for our business, and after generating the test lead, we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the new test lead being generated or not. So now in order to do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the user account of my IndiaMART. So I've logged into the user account in my IndiaMART. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of this account. Firstly, I'm going to search for the dummy product that I've created for my business. So I'm going to search for it. So this is the dummy product that I've created. I'm going to select it. Now this is the dummy product with the help of which we are going to generate the test lead. For that, click on this Contact Supply button right over here. Now over here it is asking for the message that we want to ask as an inquiry. So the message over here I'm going to write it as, the message is, hello, I want to place a bulk order of Diwali. Can you please share the wholesale prices of different firecrackers? So this is the message that I want. This is the inquiry that I have. Now I'm going to click on this submit button. It is asking for the company name. So for the company name over here, I'm going to write it as Test Company. I'm going to click on this submit button now. It says your details are sent. As now the details are been forwarded, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of this test lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created. So this is the workflow that I've created. Now I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see right over here Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated. Let us tally the response. We have received the query ID right over here. With the query ID, we have received the subject of the query, that is right over here. State comes as Madhya Pradesh, name comes as Angel. For the phone number, I've received the dummy mobile number, email as testuser@pabblytudes.com, country over as IN, that is India, company as Test Company, city as Bhopal, address as Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. Over here, if I'm going to further scroll down, the query time and the date is given right over here with the product name you can see. And over here for the message, we have received the inquiry that we have asked, that is, hello, I want to place a bulk order of Diwali. Can you share the wholesale prices of different firecrackers? So we have received the message with all the other details right over here. So as we have received the response of the new lead being generated with the help of IndiaMART, this means that IndiaMART has now been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of the potential customers and clients with the help of IndiaMART, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response in this similar manner. So as now the trigger setup is done, we need to set up our action step. Our objective is to send WhatsApp messages to the new leads being generated with the help of IndiaMART. So now in order to send WhatsApp message, I am going to be using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei, I have created a template message you can see right over here, which I want to send as a WhatsApp message to all the leads that are generated with the help of IndiaMART. So this is a template that I've created in the name of IndiaMART Firecrackers business. This is a template name. So now let's go through the template that I've created right over here. Hello. Next to hello, you can see it says leads name. This is the variable that I've created, the leads name. In place of this variable, I want to enter the value of the leads name right away so that it can be a personalized WhatsApp message. It says, thank you for your interest in Bright Blast Fireworkers through IndiaMART. We offer an exclusive range of high-quality firecrackers to make your celebrations brighter and more memorable. Special Diwali offer, get up to 20% off on per orders. Hurry, the offer is valid only for a limited time. Free delivery on bulk orders. Check out the catalog here. This is a dummy link. Need assistance? Call or WhatsApp us at this number. We are here to help. Wishing you a safe and a joyous celebration. Team Bright Blast Fireworkers. So this is a template, that message that I've created, and with the help of this template I will be forwarding messages to all my customers. So now in order to do that, we're going to set up our action step, and our action application right over here is going to be WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So I'm going to select my action application over here as WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and for the action event I'm going to select it as send template message. As with the help of this template we are going to be sending messages, that is why I'm going to select the action application and event right over here in this similar manner. After that I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After click on add new connection, it is asking for the API key. With the help of this unique API key we're going to connect our WhatsApp by AI Sensei account to Pabbly Connect. So in order to have the API key, follow the steps given here below in the help desk. Log into your AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, you can see right over here. From the left panel over here, go to this manage option. After coming to manage, under manage it says API key, click on it. So this is the key, copy it from here and paste it in the workflow right over here, and then click on the save button. As I've done that, you can see WhatsApp by AI Sensei is now been connected to Pabbly Connect. After connected, it is asking for the campaign name. In order to send a template message as a message to our customers on WhatsApp, firstly we need to create a campaign of that template that we have created in our AI Sensei account. So now let us create a campaign in our AI Sensei account. For that, go back to your AI Sensei account. So this is a template that I've created in the name of IndiaMART Firecrackers business, and now we're going to create a campaign for this template right over here. For that, from the left side of the panel, go to this campaigns section right over here. After coming to campaigns, we are going to create a campaign. For that, click on this launch button on the top right corner. After doing that, it is asking for us to select the campaign type. Select it as API campaign. After selecting the campaign, it is asking for the campaign name and the template. So for the name of the campaign over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the campaign name that I've given, that is in the name of IndiaMART Firecracker Lead. So I'm going to copy this name from here. Next, it is asking for the template. So for the template over here, I'm going to select the template that I've created in the name of IndiaMART Firecrackers business. So I'm going to select this template right over here. You can see this is the same template that I've created, that we have read before. Okay. After that, I'm going to click on the set live button and go to campaign button. You can see right over here the campaign has been successfully created in the name of IndiaMART Firecracker Leads, and this campaign status is live over here. It is very essential for this campaign status to be live, because in the help desk over here it says it is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. So it is very important for the status of the campaign should be live. As the campaign is successfully created for this template right over here, it is asking for the campaign name. So I'm going to paste the campaign name right over here, and you have to exactly paste the name that you have given right over here. Okay. After entering the campaign name, it is asking for the mobile number on which you want to send a WhatsApp message to. So for the mobile number right over here, what we're going to do is we are going to map the data. So what is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field right over here, you can see this was the previous step, that is IndiaMART new leads. And as we're going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here, it is asking for the mobile number on which you want to send a WhatsApp message to. So for the mobile number, where I'm going to search for the mobile number. So in my previous response, I have received the mobile number of my lead. You can see right over here. So from my previous response, I'm going to select the data of this mobile number right over here. Okay. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. So over here, map the data of the mobile number. After that, it is asking for the username. Enter the name of the user whom you want to send this campaign to. So for the username, I'm going to map the data of the person who have generated the lead. So I'm going to search for the name. So this is the name of the person. I'm going to map the data right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for the source and the tags. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. Next, it is asking for the template parameter. Template parameter is the field in which you are going to enter the value of the variable that you have created in your template in your AI Sensei account. So this is a single variable that I've created for my lead's name in this template right over here. So for the value of this variable, we have to enter it in the field template parameter. So let us do that. I have created a variable for my lead's name, so I'm going to search for the name right over here. So this is the lead's name. I'm going to map the data of the lead's name right over here. Okay. After that, it is asking for the attributes and the URL and file name. I do not require these fields, so I'm going to skip the part, and then simply I'm going to click on the save and send test request button right over here. As I've done that, we have received the response. The success comes as true and we've received the ID, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right away I have received a WhatsApp message. It says, "Hello Angel." This was the name of my lead. And over here, there's the same message that we have created as a template in our AI Sensei account. It's been forwarded on our WhatsApp. You can see right over here. So as we have successfully received the WhatsApp message, this means that we successfully created an automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a Firecrackers business and I receive a lot of leads and inquiries by my potential customers and clients with the help of IndiaMART. My objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically towards the lead I wanted to send a WhatsApp message for thanking them for showing interest in my services. And for that I've created this amazing automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.